How to hide friends on Facebook. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's tutorial, we're going to see how to easily hide friends from everyone on Facebook. So if you don't want anyone to see your friend list on Facebook, there is a quick and easy way to hide your entire friend list. You can start by going over to Facebook application and making sure that you are logged into your account. Then you want to find the profile icon or the menu icon at the top right. And once you are there, basically you just have to tap on the gear icon right besides the search icon. Once you go to settings and privacy, you want to go ahead and change your privacy settings. So for this, you want to go ahead and scroll down under tools and resources. You'll see your default audience settings. Go ahead and tap on it. Now, since my profile is public, my audience settings is on public. That means everyone on and on off Facebook will be able to find my posts and photos. Now, what I'm going to do is scroll down here, go to audience and visibility, and then from here you can simply go to profile details. Now, on your profile details, you can find different options like your work status, education, places you've lived, your basic info, your relationship status, your groups, and following. Now, if you don't see your friends list here, you can just go back. Then you want to go ahead and tap on how people can find and contact you. Then you'll see your friend list. And under your friends, you can see here who can send you friend requests. It's only friends of friends. And then here on the option who can see your friend list, basically tap on it and you can change this to only me. So let's say if it was set to public before, you can just tap on this only me option. That will allow you to hide your entirety of friend list. Don't forget to tap on the save icon and you'll be good to go. That is pretty much it, guys. That's all there is to it. If you found the tutorial helpful, hit the like button down below, subscribe to our channel, and I'll catch you guys in the next one. Thanks for watching.